Hi guys, we're at Pop-Pop's house. We're getting a new puppy.
What's that, guys?
I didn't think the door opened up for her to go hide in the room without all this commotion.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this! You're so cute!
Hey, gentle.
Daisy, why are you so cute? Hi, Daisy! Daisy, I got so many questions!
Having a wonderful time and to being kind and loving.
I feel like that was actually a cake, ball.
There's a puppy.
I'm not worried about that.
Standing there, she comes running around. She bites his back of his leg just a little bit, nips, and then Kylo turns and she takes off running and gets right outside real fast and gets outside the lunchroom. And he just
She
looks at
takes
her
his
like,
stuffed animals and puts it right in front of him to where he can't reach, but he can sniff it. And it makes him mad. Cause he takes everything and runs away with it, and she can't get it back.
y'all two about to move back into y'all house. Talk about them.
I never really.
Look at me, I need a picture.
No.
Now I found all the stuff that I can't find.
Looking like they are about done.
Yeah.
Kidnapped all the trees.
You know,
Can I hold
I had
the
to buy
wipe?
4 bottles before
Oh,
I
you
finally
want to
got
hold the
one in my
wipe?
Yeah.
I don't know if Maggie
Febreze.
likes that right
Oh,
now.
that's where Febreze came from.
She growling.
My house, from here.
I
Come on.
didn't ground the
Victoria,
minute
where
she
you
been
got
in
that
there.
Febreze out of?
Hold it. Put it on the bed. And put it on here.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Kylo, you ready to get back to your house?
All right, it's
How
a
many
video.
batteries? Is that 1 battery or 2 batteries? 2 batteries.
There.
Gentle.
Can I put the white?
Yes. Yes, I'm going to take the white one out.
Hi guys. So
I know.
we're at Pop-Pop's house.
Right, like you better make.
We're getting a new puppy before my birthday, and here he is.
You might have to pull it out.
That's my chin.
Oh,
Give me the...
I'm trying.
Right.
No one could ever replace Sam Beatty, but I'm so happy to see Spartacus and Cat forming their own relationship.
This is mine. Where's
She's just protective of the babies.
She's just protecting her babies, that's all.
But I got to go.
I get way one of them out there and the one of them is purchasing. So they can be made back in the room. And it's got the plug in on the other end. But I figured it was safer to run that off a 20-amp breaker by itself for the heater than to put it with anything else on your house.
Mm-hmm.
That extension cord is only good for 10
Look.
amps.
I
Yeah, but you know what? It
see.
doesn't even get hot. When
Watch
I
it.
grab the end of it, the plug-in's not even
Gentle
hot.
with him.
If I was to put that on one of the other, like, surge protectors or something that was running along this line with that wall, when you unplug that thing, it'd make a big pop, and it would make a spark, and when you grab it, it was hot.
Mama,
This way, it's not.
who's biting my
So,
finger?
all of my
Don't let him do that.
I
I get way too much enjoyment.
am.
He tried to catch it several times.
Hi guys, sorry about the hair. It's extremely windy outside. Oh my god.
We have a new guy.
Alright, he doesn't like that. Don't hold him like that.
And we got this.
Yeah, they have some toys that they picked out. Cause beep beep beep. PetSmart. Yeah. This is actually our second trip to PetSmart today. We went to PetSmart initially, and then we went over to my dad's house, and while there, they were like, yeah, you can take the puppy home today. Oh, okay, well, I think we're gonna need to make another PetSmart trip to get the rest of the things that we need, because, yeah, we don't have any puppy pads. We need to get puppy pads. We need to get a little, food and water dish for inside the kennel, because he's a little baby. Huh. But yeah, I've always wanted to name a dog Crypto. I've tried before, but Richie would always fuss at me. But I told him, I'm like, no, this time it's a white dog. Gotta name it Crypto. I mean, come on. I am a huge Superman fan. Huge Superman fans cannot have a white dog and not have it named Crypto. Anyway, so.
I'm gonna look at him.
Oh, he's falling asleep again. So Ari requested that we get him his first puppuccino.
I wonder how he'll like that.
We'll see. I don't know. I don't know whether he'll like it or not. I know he'll.
Mommy, does this have a water?
Oh, yes, baby. I will get you a water. What about you, Ari? Do you want a water?
I would like a frappuccino.
Not
Okay,
today.
water then.
Okay. What's that, guys?
Huh?
Is it a puppy?
Is that a puppy? Isn't that a puppy?
I don't know what to think of that, huh?
He really likes his cat. Wait.
Yum 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 yum. Oh, you're hungry. You want some food.
Yeah, he's really hungry. He's a hungry little baby.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, he's really hungry.
Mm-hmm. He was ready.
Yeah, he's really hungry. He sit. Onyx, sit.
Hey, she just came inside. She's not gonna sit perfectly still. Okay. All right, stop. Stop. Don't let her finish it all. Sit down next to the kennel. Do not open it.
Onyx, you see? New puppy home.
Stop.
A new puppy.
Do not open. I just said that.
A new puppy. He's really hungry.
Mm-hmm. Onyx.
Eat the whole thing.
Aria, can you please give Chino? Oh, now we spotted.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, you just spotted the baby. Hi.
Hey, Mom, her hand just slipped over. You're like, I can still hear.
Yeah.
It's a good food.
Yum 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 yum.
He ate all of it already.
Mm-hmm.
I want to give Dad.
Oh, you wanna give Crypto his?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to go.
Y'all good? What's that, baby? Huh? It's a puppy? Yeah, you see a new puppy? Yeah, it's gonna be a friend. Oh my goodness. Rose, what are you doing now? This seems like such a bad idea, Rose. What is going through your mind? They just want to poke him. Like, they keep just sticking their paws, no claws out, just poking. Oh, you want his toys! Okay, have fun with that. Rose. You just want the food. You little turd. It's not yours. Not yours. It's the welcome wagon. Onyx, you have a new friend? I know. Yes, I'm still Mama. I promise. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi,
Iris, no. It's just how dogs say hello. Oh, yes, I'm your mama too. I promise. Mwah. What you doing?
Just standing there.
What's that? Are you happy?
Hi, guys.
Hello.
I'm peeing. No, he's not.
No, he found something though. What's in his mouth? What is that? Go put that in the trash.
Oh my god.
Trash. Yeah, that whole thing needs to just go in the trash. And that is why we need to clean the living room. Exploring the comfy.
Dude. Come over here.
Aria, girl, let him. Let him be.
What is that?
Well, it's a little ball. There's peanut butter and some milk bones stuck in the peanut butter. And then another toy. Oh, I'll say another toy. Another treat is in there.
It's trying to get it.
Yeah, that's the
So
point.
can she get the big one?
If she tries, she can. It's a little puzzle that I made for her. No, don't shake it too much. Really? You making it easy on her?
No, I'm not.
For shame. Look, Mooney's having a turn in the basket.
Oh. You great. You traitor. You traitor.
Y'all, why did y'all bug him? He was just relaxing.
Hi, buddy. Your turn.
Aria. Iris, not for you. Oh yeah, y'all need to go to sleep soon. Well, yeah, you'll see my thumbs right there. I am having some indigestion. I had some leftover chili, so I have that. Got me some kombucha, because I've been having a lot of acid reflux issues. The dog is playing with her thing. Hi. editor Lexi here. Apparently, whenever I turned off the camera so that I could listen to what Aria was saying, I forgot to turn the camera back on and record the end of the vlog. So here it is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the cute. I know it's kind of different than our usual vlogs, but just wanted to show you guys the animals getting used to each other. Sorry about the big old mess. This was right after I had gotten my ankle injured, and then I was also dealing with multiple sinus and ear infections, and it was a bad time, and I was not expecting to take that dog that day. Whoopsie! Anyway, if y'all have any new pets lately, y'all should let us know. Like, I love hearing about animals. Anyway, see you guys in our next video. Bye!